On Facebook, sometimes your date of birth is there. Afterwards, if you want to change that date of birth, you can do it. In this video, we'll show you how to change the date of birth on your Facebook profile. For this, open the Facebook app. After that, up top you can see 3 lines. Tap on those 3 lines. When you tap on them, here you can see your profile name. Tap on your profile name, and when you tap on that, here you can see your date of birth, and above it you can see personal details. Next to that you can see a pencil-like button. Tap on this button, and here you can see your date of birth. Tap on this pencil-like button, and when you do, here you can see edit your birthday. Tap on this, and when you tap it, you'll reach a page like this, and from here you can edit your date of birth. But if you're not able to see this, what you need to do is go back to the first page, and on that first page up top you can see 3 lines. Tap on these 3 lines. When you tap on them and scroll down, you can see Settings Privacy. Tap on this, and here you can see the Settings option. Tap on Settings, and here you can see Account Center. Tap on this, and when you tap on that, here you can see Personal Details. Tap on this, and here you can see Birthday. Tap on this, and when you tap on that too, you'll reach this page. Anyway, here you can see the Edit option. Tap on Edit, and when you tap on that, you can see the option to change your date of birth. In my case it's not showing because I just changed this birthday a few minutes ago. So if you tap on this, you can see the option to change your birthday. Select your birthday and tap OK, and after that you can see the Save option. When you tap on that, your birthday will be changed. So this way you can easily change your date of birth on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.